Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, floating point numbers are represented using the float data type, which is based on the ieee 754 standard. While float is suitable for many applications, it can sometimes lead to precision issues when performing mathematical operations. To address this, Python provides the decimal module, which allows you to work with arbitrary precision decimal numbers. In this tutorial, you will learn how to convert a Python float to a decimal and why this conversion might be necessary. A float is a binary approximation of a decimal number and has a limited precision. It's excellent for most general-purpose calculations but may lose precision when dealing with financial or scientific calculations where exact decimal representation is essential. The decimal module provides a way to represent numbers with arbitrary precision, making it suitable for such scenarios. Before we can use the decimal class, we need to import the decimal module. You can convert a Python float to a decimal object using the decimal constructor. Now, decimal underscore number contains the decimal representation of float underscore number. One of the advantages of using the decimal class is the ability to control precision. You can specify the precision, number of decimal places, for your decimal objects using the getContext method. For example, to set the precision to 4 decimal places. This will affect all decimal objects created afterward in your code. Let's explore some examples of converting float to decimal. Output, output, output. In this tutorial, you learned how to convert a Python float to a decimal using the decimal module. This conversion allows you to work with arbitrary precision decimal numbers, making it useful for scenarios where precision is crucial. Additionally, you learned how to control the precision of decimal objects using the getContext.prec attribute. This knowledge will be valuable when dealing with financial or scientific calculations that require precise decimal representation. ChatGPT.